Okay, good morning, guys. So what I'm going to show you guys today is going to be how to turn old jeans into a swimsuit. So you take the old jeans, guys, and you see how I got this cut like a pair of thong. So you measure it out of how the width, and each jeans will be different. If you got some jeans that's maybe too big or whatever. So if you notice, I got this panty shape cut. And I'm going to get rid of the pocket, and we're just going to save the belt loop. And then for the bra top, you make two rectangles. The bigger the breast, guys, you make these bigger. The smaller the breast, you make it smaller. And then keep in mind, you want to fold this bottom part under to insert the elastic through. And we put elastic at the top. But yeah, we're going to turn old jeans into a little swimsuit, or just a little panty and bra set. So if you want to be different, unique, or whatever. But yes, so that's all you need to do, guys. Cut out a triangle in the pants, and if you guys see how the back look, so it look like a pair of thongs, and two rectangles, and we're going to sew elastic, two-piece elastic at this tip, and then fold this under, guys, and put the elastic. So I will kind of show you guys a video, but I'm not going to take off my my jacket. I just open it up and show you guys how it look when I put it together. So it's that simple, guys. So that's all we're going to do. So cut it out, and then we're going to sew the elastic on, and that's how you would turn old jeans into a swimsuit. Okay, guys, so this is the finishing result of the jean makeover swimsuit. So guys, of course, I'm not going to turn around, but you see how the size is. I'm not going to turn around and show, you know, all of that. So basically, you're taking jeans, your old jeans, and turn it into a swimsuit. And I will put this in a washing machine and let it fray. And if you guys see, I got elastic going around, so it kind of holds the boobs in. But you can do the swimsuit, the jean swimsuit. So you take a pair of jeans, and you guys see I cut them like a pair of panties. These was a little bit more revealing. That's why I put on these. These is cut wider. So if you don't want them to be too revealing, don't cut really thin into the crotch. Cut it wider. So if you see, these is cut wider, guys. And then you take the triangle shape that is shaped like a triangle. You put your elastic up there. You fold it down on the bottom, guys, and you thread the elastic through there, and then you take elastic and sew it all the way around here from this side to that side. That's what's going to make it do this. Therefore, you don't have to worry about like the side, your boobs coming out, because elastic, see, is going to hold it together. So that would be how you make a swimsuit. So if you guys see, that's how you would make a turn old jeans, recycle them, and turn them into a swimsuit. So no, I'm not going to turn around and show you guys the back, because you guys can see it can be quite revealing. And or like if you had a sheer swimsuit cover up. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna put on one of the sheer cover ups, and you can wear it, and you have on your little sheer cover up. But yes, guys, you can do these swimsuit jean denim swimsuits and recycle out of old jeans. So if you guys see like this one, you can put on and a little bit of sheer. But yeah, you could put it on and go to the beaches or whatever, and just do your little cover up, and you go, oh, okay, and you have it on, and you'd be sexy on the beach. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much. Bye bye. Okay, guys, here go a couple pictures. So yes, guys, take some old jeans and turn it into a swimsuit. And also, if you want it not so revealing, just make them more of the shorty shorts. But this is a DIY swimsuit makeover out of old jeans. Bye bye.